If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Boy, Francis, sick and influence of this,
So apparently you was gone down, you have 2 exit ways.
Right.
Same thing like the last.
And the next thing, Sarge, I say, if you keep this on the low, because my one of them were hype on the media, so him no want it up on the media.
Them no want alert nobody.
Right.
That would have make sense, Wallace. Because everybody has started catching afraid and news are spread and it look like the JCF now do what them for do.
They make me feel like me can't do my work.
Wallace, this out of our hands, This completely out of our hands. The most you can do in the investigation and catch you serial killer.
You're right,
And at the end of the day, play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
True.
All fat, are you again?
Are we gonna do watch me? You know, see, I love watch woman. Every minute you come to my life, come cause problem. You come like you don't have nothing in your life, you do.
Hmm? No, nothing in my life, you do. You don't see more squall and your jack and a fight for you.
What you say?
The white squall for your...
my life. Are we hard watch me?
You need to come down now.
Are you if you come down, come off of my life? Come off now. Gosh.
I'm telling you this, you can't diss me, no. Mosquito, you can't diss me, no, mosquito. Be a gun. You can't diss me, no. I'm telling you that, you know. And you have to come down now.
Can't take me down, cause I feel alive. I feel alive.
Hey, remember, so I know if you find you, know. That me I tell you, you know. Go give your father thumbs down. Give your father thumbs down.
I'm not afraid of you. You know where me live, you know where you find me. I'm not afraid of you. Gang them, nobody not afraid of you.
Hey, I say if me all did this woman, no, I shot a 2 box, but I show me no disrespect woman, you know.
Shot who box? All the while they can't talk about box. Shot who box?
Now you.
You don't go like nobody afraid of you. You go like you run now. You know you don't run away. I'm not afraid of you.
Alright, Shakaberry.
Come off of me live. Come off of me live. Guys, how me take him off?
You see? You're done.
Yeah.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Me don't know
You don't
who give.
know?
Me don't know
You don't know?
who give your phone.
You
Eh?
don't know?
Boy, I
The
just
Tops and
want to
Roses
give some
gave
of
me
them
phone.
people
Where
that
they
want to
get?
the phone they feel like them as somebody.
Where they get?
Eh? You know, so I buy out of this. I'm own a car. Look.
A people care you live in. People care you live in. Mm-hmm. Come on, family life. You hear you love problem, you know. You love problem. Missy say you love problem, you know. Problem are your middle name, you know. Come on, family life. Come off of me live. You notice I'm in trouble here? And all the while I come for my live, I look problem. Come off of my live. Come off.
Alright, Chakaberry,
Nobody
alright.
afraid of you.
Hey, girl, I'm telling you this, you know, girl. I'm telling you this, you know, mosquito. I'm telling you this. I'm look for me serious as a... Look for me serious as the day I'm born. Anywhere me see you. Anywhere at all me see you. Me, blame gang them. I go step in your chest.
Me ready anytime. Anytime you're ready, me ready. Cause me not afraid of you. Anytime you're ready, me ready. Cause me not afraid of you. Run up. Cause me not afraid of you. Not there.
Remember
Not
say
there, me not
Iron
afraid
Bird.
of you.
Remember Iron
Me
Bird.
not afraid of you. Not there.
Alright.
So come off of my life.
You know, me done chat today now. You're mosquito. You're
You
gonna
don't
get
know?
what's coming. You
You
are gonna
don't
get
know?
what's coming.
You don't know? Come off of my life. Cause you don't follow up woman too much.
I'll take it down, you know. See, I'll Nicki Minaj send a $500 money gonna you're ungrateful.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're
I because me have pay
ungrateful.
attention to you when me lose my focus. Go away find ya.
You can't even tell the woman thanks. Yeah, man, that's the street. That's your Rosalie. Yes, man.
Yo,
Let's pull up on me, sir.
you hear me I say, my brother? You see all of the money where you make, you have to give me some out of that. Because when me lose my life, me get blocked, me get banned. And that now lift. You hear me I say?
So what that have to do with me?
You mean what that have to do with you?
What that have to do with me? I mean, make it the first thing first, I know me want the dip on the live. World pussy dip on the live, automatic the dip on the live, and Shakaberry the dip on the live. So how me get involved?
I'm not respond to no way you want to say no. Just hear what me I tell you say. Just make sure say you see the food where you make me get my share out of it. You hear me say? Don't make me have to talk 2 times. Me don't talk.
Mary, you alright? Yeah, listen to yourself.
Who you call Mary? Me not name Mary, me name Serena. Call it anything you want call it. Just make sure say me get my food out of this.
Come out of my yard and bother with the foolishness. A game me all away I play. And whatever Tops and Roses me get a for me.
No, but that's a 40 man, brother.
Come out of my yard and go along where you go. You come like you need if you go take your medicine. You and Lisa hyper par in the same road.
Top of the screen, you know. Don't play with me, you know. Boy, Butchot. Don't play with me, you know. More fat.
Yo.
Yo!
You hear me I say no,
Hold
brother?
on, man.
No,
Me
but
something.
now hold on for nothing in your life. It's
I
either
mean,
you
going-
pause it or you
Yeah.
end it. No.
Yo, hold on, them people. Hold on, there. Hold on. Yo,
Sully, hear what me I say?
yo, Serena, what you want? What you want? What you want? Tell them what you want.
You and your friend them over 200,000 followers me have. And right now me not have none. So you see that money they wanna make, just try and know say me want my food out of
What you
that.
talk about you want? How you get that? How you gonna get that?
You don't know me I gonna get that. You really
Oh.
want me tell you how me I gonna get that?
You're not popular already. You're not gonna build back a page, Serena.
You never know that when time I take on my whole heap of followers.
Who do that?
You want me I say
Yo,
no, that? Just
relax
let me get
yourself,
home
man.
and
Yo,
forget
stop
here.
trying to pass.
Alright.
Yo, I'm to you.
I not gonna say 40, I got
Yo,
39. Eh?
relax yourself, man.
Alright.
I'm to you, Serena. You feel like man fear on the youth. Yo, Yo. Man, even have wives against you, you know. Yeah. Sorry about that, man, my people, man. It's just a small little ups I have to deal a while ago. So you are going on the top of the screen now.
Hey guys, welcome back to your channel, my channel, Mr. Grease. Your boy's here. And today, I'm gonna be doing a few stuff that you might like. You know what I'm saying? Because this is Jamaica. The sun is shining. So I'm about to go cut some coconuts, you know what I'm saying? And probably some cane, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
You say I enjoy that.
Yeah, man.
It's tough, man. Yo,
Yeah,
right?
that's true. Yeah, but do the same thing, but dog.
Brother, I better if you come on TikTok, brother. In a
No,
real life.
no. Brother, I stay up on my YouTube. There's everything safe and secure over here so I can talk to my people them and everything good. Yo, TikTok too corrupt, brother, and bad mind over there come like, yo, I don't even know if it's say, brother.
Brother, I just tell you. Over the nice, you know. What I just saw look man, brother, when I two know the thing, come from the app and just feel like say, oh, they can just outdo it, brother. And enough of them are overdo it right now.
Yo,
You get me, I say?
I don't know if that you want to call, you know. But as long as me see a pure bad mind thing going over there, so be your corruption, be your cussing, fighting.
Brother, I must say enough
Eh?
people not used to forget $100-$300 you know, sit at the hand in the dog. So when they get a lion and then they feel good. You see me?
Boy.
They now broke all their neck for a lion right now. May I tell you, enough of them.
That, they gonna do too much for lion right now. You see me? If you just do a little thing, brother, make me stick to my YouTube, bro. Stick to my YouTube. I can't take a problem.
Brother, I just say go, brother. More I mean, my dogs them just cuss on the app, you know, man, and just create some drama, you know, man, and some people that think say real, you know, man. But when time we cut off a live and we see some bums and see how much money we make off the night.
Me not say. That work for you, though.
Yeah, man,
You see me?
we're going to put
So
it.
me nah knock your hustle, bro.
I must say
Nah,
every
knock your
day me
hustle,
cash
you know.
out, you know.
Yeah, every day you cash out. But you see my YouTube now, bro. And next year me still a cash out. You see me?
Alright.
Yeah. So do my YouTube, man. And you do your TikTok. You see it?
I don't know, you go, you know, man. I want love see me, you know, man.
One love, bro. One love. You
But,
see it?
yo, man, I growing up saying, no, cause the
Yeah.
one Keisha for call link me, you know, dog. But she tell me, say, at 25,000, you know, I never know, say, I say expensive down in Westmoreland there.
Boy, yeah, that too much money I float around here, you know. So
Yeah.
everything gone up
You
right
man, them
now.
a chop hard.
Yeah, man, them a real chopper, you know.
But yo, look at me, you know.
Yeah, man, I go and do that video, yeah, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, guys, so welcome back. It's your boy, Mr. Grease. You see it?
Wagwan guys, what's up? It's been a while since I've been on here. Wagwan people. Wagwan girl. Long time in a see you. What's up, girlie? Guys, on the top of the screen, You're not happy to see me? Taps and roses, guys. Taps and roses. On top of the screen. What is a maga dry head, girl? A dry head like a yum. Hey. Don't play with me. You know what? Me go come off for this because unu are some look dirty people and me can't stomach unu. Me can't stomach unu. So you know what? Me go come off for this because only I look somebody to entertain and name up myself and me not name up myself for this. So me go come off for this because yes, some of unu. Yes, some of unu me can't stomach some of unu. So me go come off for this. You know? Yeah, unu can't go on. Me tired of unu now. Tired of unu now, man. Yeah, well, and just go sit down for my live and watch me. Look here. How much thousands somebody depend this live here. Not even one little roses they in a sin. And just oh little that the little bit of likes they. Eh? Not like them, you know. Not like them. Not like them.
Shakaberry,
Hmm?
what is the
Yes, sir.
problem?
What
I
you
cause have people them. What you mean what me mean? And I talk to me so. Me your mother not true
Oh, me
because
a
you reach
talk to
certain
you.
age. What you feel like? Listen. You see that out than is the way they go on with Penny Live, you need to stop it.
Mommy, listen, that's how me make me money. You see, if me no go along so with them and hang out, they no like it. They love drama, they love entertainment, that's how me make me money. You're too old fashioned. Everything you worry about and talk about cussing. If me not go along so, me not go make no money, mummy. As they like when me name up
Me
myself.
no know that. Me no know that.
You don't realize the rest of them how a pay mix up then go along with that drama and then get one bag of tops and roses. Mummy,
For
you know,
people here watch.
but
And they
as
come follow, forget gift. Listen, you make stupid speech on the live, you get stupid gift. You is an idiot. That's what me grow you.
but this stupid gift make money, mummy. You don't want to come out of poverty, mummy.
So you want to come out of poverty?
You have to
By
find a
making
way.
stupid speech out of your mouth and get stupid gift.
The people they not even business, mummy. I just saw me get me roses, them and get me look money. And money me want make, you know, this have just money and fun. You
It
know
is
me,
not
nothing.
right. Shakaberry, it not right. You can't go on the live and they look people. Honest hard money where they work for. I look, you know, I beg them, they not affigure, you know. And you come now upon the live, you want disrespect people, tell them all about their mom, all kind of sitting, and then expect them if you work so hard in a coal or sun, wherever they be, and take their money and give you.
Nobody never force them, but them want send it, so make them send it come. And I like me to tell them say, oh, send it or hold them down. Make them send the money come in a business with them.
So them the kind of money that you want go collect and come give me.
So,
How for paper it go through? I could never feel me. I lie they tell.
Mummy, nobody feel like I say when me come off of the life, me and nobody in, you know, me and nobody in, you know, we good, you know.
I lie they
This
tell.
have to just fun, you know.
Lie they tell me here one of the disrespect on one another. I don't need to stop it. It not sound good.
But mummy, you see nothing where you see on the social media, where you do on the live, acting, none of it no real. I tell you, think it's set to you when they in there, and magic it come by. Are the people them taps and roses when they send by? None of this no mean nothing, mummy.
You know
I
mean
just
nothing?
funny, everything fake. I just acting.
You know mean nothing?
No. All of them the people they way see cuss and galang, all of them couple the way you see on YouTube and TikTok a cuss and fight.
We say I know nothing for people tell people about them man them pa.
Cause it no real, mummy. I tell you, say none of it no real. When me come off of the live, me and nobody no have nothing, mummy. Just fake, I just acting. Everybody will live with God in our reality, no we gone in a normal life.
Me I wonder if you dey think first before you say what you say to me. Because them the kind of disrespecting where they under them ma, under them pa, one pa sitting. You mad? So you want somebody to tell you about your mother, about me, and you just skin your teeth and get gift just so, and it come like nothing to you.
Me I tell you.
You're an idiot.
Mummy, right now, somebody tell me about for your party, no. And me tell them back about for them party, no. Me just collect my money and the business, you know, because this is just a fun and money, you know.
How boy you say to me?
Understand?
Wait, hold on. Me I come to think about what you just say. About coach and sitting. So are them the money they take by coach?
So how you think your coach did that come in?
Me think your man give you money because you say you did that show partner.
Man money no enough.
Me
So
stop
that
sit down in
taps
it.
and roses.
You get money disrespectful in a life and you buy things in a one disrespectful way and you put one disrespectful coach in a house. Me nah go sit down in
But you
it.
sit down in it already, so anything
Me
with
tap.
the coach rub off by
Me
you.
top front. Me, I will never join your life. Come in and go disrespect
Right
nobody.
now, join if you join, you should have joined with me and start cuss out some of my people, them, you know.
Me!
And see if you
Will
don't get
never
more
happen.
roses.
You and them can't stand it. You must
Mummy, you're
know.
too old fashioned.
Yes, thank you.
Yo, here what go on, I'm come on for your life, you know, car. Missy say you take this thing too far. Yeah? Just go on, run up your mouth. And feel like say you can't get kick in your face. Yeah? Run up your mouth.
I know, so I live me just there, so me go up on. How are you there, chat?
No. What boy name, man?
I know Scully.
No, sir.
Why? But brother, one thing you know, me love how you go on TikTok still, you know, cause and me tell you about TikTok, you know, say you can make money off it and you just pass me out in the followers.
You're man. I just say go that. Watch you know. I must say, no, man. You see on TikTok, you know.
Mm.
You can't go on it like you. It's like you say if you go on it too positive, nobody not to rate you. So you have to just try to create some toxic in your brain, brother. If you just go on it and something. But not everybody you can run and joke there with you know.
Mm.
You get what I say?
As in, you know, say you depend on your badness skills, you know, but to tell you the truth, you know, brother. there are two sides of TikTok, you know. You have a fun side and then you have a toxic side, you know. And enough things are going on TikTok with toxic, you know. So, I know you go on when you cuss nobody or thing, you know.
Brother, you know what thing, brother. Me not take no disrespect for nobody, you know. Let me tell you that, you know.
But look,
No,
man,
nobody can feel like saying can disrespect me on TikTok and get me ready.
but look on this year, look on Howard. Howard now have no followers, but it'll be a positive thing, you know.
But you know want to hear nothing about Howard, brother.
But just nobody develop that toxicness. You know, somebody I chat to Scully, and Scully I tell me say, yo, Serena link him and I tell him say, yo, our account get banned. So me I wonder say how our account get banned and she almost have 500,000 followers.
Yeah, man, she could call me too, you know. I hear well if you fool, you can't tell me, say. I can't tell me about, say, yo, other day me and him left on a match and me tell her, say, me a bring her down. You see me?
Oh, you talk about when we did upon a group live?
Yeah, man, and me tell her, and she come up there because Nicki Minaj come and send me gift and she over there with the long up face.
Yeah, man,
And me tell her, say, me a bring her down and take her up. So at that time, there, yeah, and the girl can't tell me about her, say, yo, me figure some of my money out of what me make because I me making account. I say, girl, me kick off your face.
Brother, when me hear say, me can't believe say she lose her. And that's why she did come off. Cause me serious, she begs with all of we, you know.
Brother, I'm telling you, say, me I bring her dog.
You remember when all of we had trouble her, but you really think say that's why she lose her life? She a idiot, cause how she will lose 500,000 followers?
Brother, yeah.
And she bright for you to come to you and come ask you for money. People have to know what them are do with them thing, you know. But you want to run too much cause maybe I think I want idea, you know. If you go up on live and pretend like we are cussing.
So, brother, now you see him toxic TikTok you tell.
No man, that different. You see if we are cussing real now, that toxic. But we are pretend and any money when we make for the live, we just split it. You understand? So, what do it no man?
Alright, yeah. We'll come up with a plan, but come in. Go over for your yard and go off for me yard. Ah!
Yo, Jago, you know, easy, you know, youth. Come on, my side. Come on, my side. Do ya do. Do na do. Do na do, my side. My side. Yo, top of it. Yo, Jago, you think you're easy, youth?
Yes, so. Alright, so me and Francis they are lunch, so we have to go cut this short. We are gonna leave the location now. Alright.
What's going on?
Super say we have another case, you know.
Another case how?
Another social media influencer them find dead. Why, Francis, leave know what go on, you know.
Me not understand what go on either. Is that them a target the youth them?
Them not seem to understand that this is social media is not a real place. Them might take this too personal.
So we have a next grieving matter to explain to. We even solve the first case yet.
So we meet him at the location, you know. So every day is another one.
Yes, my side. Top of the screen. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Tops and roses, guys. I want him.
Team guard on my side. Team guard. Take down Shakaberry. Shakaberry, come down now.
I that with you, you know. You see you. You see you, and that me can't bother with you.
I mean, that's why I can't bother with those people.
Foolishness thing.
Me know why you are not what Shakaberry officer. Just take her down. Send up a score.
I bet say me mute. You know me, I go mute you. Say something else.
Go mute your nose. Mute your nose.
Me not even go argue with you. Me just, guys, you not bother with the foolishness, so they can't make you win. You know me can't stomach you.
What you mean you can't
Tap up the
stomach me?
screen, guys.
What you mean you can't
You
stomach me?
come on me live, they go and they go along with a bag of antics. Me can't manage you.
After me and a white fall, so you stomach me and me and a white fall. You're not near me.
Guys, tap up the screen.
Share the live, my side. Share the live. Take down Shakaberry now.
You see your face? You see your face big?
See my face? Look for fear. You hold your head back. You hold your forehead gone in. So. Just a look for me out here so.
No mind my forehead. No mind my forehead.
Worry yourself, man.
Guys, tap up the screen, yeah.
Watch your roach run behind your wall.
Are you at the roach? Are you there behind any?
You know, so one of them day you'll get one lick in your face. But I'm from me, you know.
Who you lick? You
I know
can't
me.
lick nobody.
I know me. But somebody are gonna lick in your face when I hear them cut.
Nobody can lick me.
All you do you come for the life and want to bring me down. You just want to bring me down.
Are you and the people them, the dirty people them on the live want to bring me down and you just come on the live and watch me and not send no gift. You just waste my time. I can't bother with you. Come off from my live.
How we are talk to?
If you not send no roses, me no want to know on my live. Cause this no make no sense. All the while you sit down and you watch me and you not send no little rose, or you not send no little money, you not send nothing. Top up the screen, you just watch me so. Awa, me a TV.
One money gun my side and take down Shakaberry cause yo.
Are you come down?
I see a mackerel apart from all of you know.
You know, so you get out of hand now.
I wear mackerel clothes.
You know you get out of hand now.
Go you wear mackerel clothes. You can't chat to me.
Out of hand now. See,
let me tell you this, man. You can't diss me, you know.
You make me have to reveal you.
You can't diss me, you know, man. Mackerel tell me say I fear clothes in my bar, you know, man. You're shit in a plate.
Hey, boy, you not live nowhere, you know. And talk where your people clothes them, you know. Talk where your friend clothes them and come out to your car. Come out to your car where you living and tap thief of people the manga for them tree. And what you want to do? Don't run up, you know. You try not run up, you know. You see, me there, Sam, my business, and me not see you. And what you try do? Go get somewhere to live and top living that people them car. Top hide the night time and pick up people them mango when you're hungry. Hungry belly boy. Don't run up. A long time you know you ain't a boy.
Hey, you know, see I shit in a plate.
Don't run up. Go get somewhere to live and come out and people them renting car. Go pay people them for their money. Tap just what the people they things from their shop. How happen?
You know what? Alright, Shakaberry, alright. Since
come off of my life, man. Come off of my life. You're too old, Tada.
No, yes, man. You are gonna come down now. That me I tell you.
If you come down, and you must come down. You're too bright.
One of them there, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. As me there right here, so look. One of them there, man. You're this wrong. You're this wrong, somebody. You're this wrong, somebody.
What you do?
You are gonna this wrong, somebody.
What you do? I pay your mouth you have. Pay your mouth. What you do? What you
do? Be a box GX box, yeah. Be a box GX box, yeah.
Go back to your girl them. Go back to your girl them when I start beat you. I'm not afraid of nobody, so tell them to run up anytime, anywhere.
Look behind here, see GX behind here. Look behind here. Look behind here, see GX.
You're too bright. But me I wear mackerel clothes them. I'm about to say, hey, don't start here. But pay your box. Box who? Me afraid of nobody?
Miss Triple say now and give no more food again. That me I tell her, Miss Triple call me other day and tell me say, yo, gang them, me nah give Shakaberry madness no food when she come on me yard again. So you can't chat to me now, you're shit in a plate.
Me still a eat, not true. Me still a eat. Yandrix, go away.
Yeah, man, me know say it's been a while since I see my face, but they're back on live. What go on? Give me a minute. Here what go on, people. I will chip off because I just see one of my friends. I will talk to her. So I big up on yourself and tune in back in an hour time. I will back on live. Alright, big up.
What going on?
There, man.
Never know say you do that in social media work here too.
Boy, I have to survive, you know, and it's the latest trend, so boy, I just eat a little food and see what can go on. But that's a part of why I stop it, you know. Boy, I see your daughter on live, on one cousin, and the worst part about the person where him dep on live with a cuss, I want youth name, gang them. And the man, they don't know normal youth, them man, they are bad man, you know. So right now, I tell her, say, she want a daughter, you think I'll get serious on the media.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, because you have to warn your daughter, because I tell her, say, on the media, you know, normal, two people come on the news to get stopped out. You see me? And a serious thing I go on, so. Just warn her, man.
All right, no problem.
All
I'm
right?
going to make sure I say, as me reach a me yard, me talk to her.
All right, yeah, man. Big up
All
yourself, all
right.
right?
Yeah, man.
All right, yeah, man.
Top Sunny Roses, guys. Go up the top of the screen. Top of the screen, guys. Top up the screen, people.
Hello. You can come off of the live, please, and give me a minute.
Why?
I want to talk to you.
Guys, give me a minute.
I don't need everybody to hear what I say to you. Come and me talk to you. I just come from out the road.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, Howard. Howard tell me say they go on bad on the social media. You're there on live and a cuss off gang them. You want gang them?
Gang them not nobody, mommy.
Eh?
Gang them not nobody.
Wait, what kind of argument you and me if you no gone down in them the kind of cussing and disrespectful things?
Mommy, me don't tell you already. I acting, you know, real.
Chakaberry. I know say me your mother and you reach the age for do what you want to do. But sometimes you have to listen to parents. It no matter the age where you be. Me tired for warn you about this social media thing, you know. Me don't know why you have to go up and go do this and get money that they kind of way there. Why you not go look a job?
Mommy, 9 to 5 asleep. I can't bother with that. I can't bother with nobody a push me around and a tell me what to do. I can't manage that. All the while you come to me about this cussing thing. Me tired of it now. Me tell you already, mommy, I acting. How you think you bills them pay if me not go along so?
You act like you's a hard nut for crack. You hear me just say? Me say you dey act like you's a hard nut for crack. But who can hear will feel? You know watch the news? You know listen news?
What go on for news?
You know hear where they go on all over the world, especially on social media. You know hear about it?
People dead every day, mommy.
See it there? You know you still do it.
And a town that happen, nobody no business with country people. A town up there, so they must know where them are people in a country. Nobody no business with their country.
Listen to me. People analyze people anywhere. It doesn't matter. Whenever they feel like to take people life, they them a take it. So you see, if you're constantly doing this foolishness on life just to get $1, Mark me they warn you. I'm not even going to say rest. But anyway, as me tell you before, you need to look a job. It don't sound good and it don't look good.
Me can't.
And look who you're going in an argument with. Gam them. You don't hear about him?
Me not afraid of gang them, mommy. Gang them live nowhere.
Excuse
Everybody
you?
a run up and down when they say gang them. Me not afraid of gang them. Who is gang them?
Like seriously? Why you act like I say you're a man? You're a girl. You're a woman. Stop act like the mad people them with on social media we are giving themselves so much problem and they act like say they don't understand we are going out in the world. All when they see how much somebody life unalive already. Eh? And all know nobody no know who are the killer. Me don't want to hear no foolishness from you.
Me, you're overreact.
Me a overreact? So, me overprotective now for me one daughter.
But you don't overreact over foolishness because none of this way so me not make no sense.
One daughter me have. So me fi just love you and make you do anything what you want to do.
And like I said, me I go pan road and I sell me body. Me just there so upon my life, I have fun, I act. And you there, that a problem, that is
Right
a problem.
now, me not say you should have sell your body, you know. But it better you when they do it, because you nobody now no argument for that. It's your
and
body.
then I find problem. And
Yes,
say,
make me find sitting and say me nay say if you do it, me say better you when they do it.
Me.
Me glad you're not doing it, but it better you when they do it more than this. You look like you not understand and you not get when me I say Shakaberry. The amount of things where they go on. Sake of freeness. You come like you not get it. You know what? Me go cook some food. You wash up your plate then?
Yeah. Cook curry chicken.
Go cook some food. Where they do from
Mummy, me
morning?
dey work. When me done scream out and ball up my throat, I'm tired, mummy. I work,
Hey,
you know.
me hear you. I work here. Coke and you wo, it belongs to Busha. Alright, me hear you.
Me can't bother with you.
Why, bomb them?
Adi salam.
Why? Me a try get a add in pan for your life other day and if you pay me no money.
Boy, salam. The people them a say they don't play with the dog. Everything too righteous and in a company like brother, you blaze too much fire.
Yo, listen man. Too much shit na plate and go on dog. So right now me can't play with certain people. You understand?
Alright,
And the bag of begging and cussing and thing pan it. Me no depend on that.
what you say, man? When time I know it thing not too, I mean I know much. You make you jump in on the live and burn a fire still. No?
All me can tell you, brother, you see that bag of toxic behavior there? Just watch it. You know good.
You just do you do, you know, Shala.
Yeah man. Do
When
the thing,
time
man.
now. You have to come down now.
Alright.
Come down now. Yeah man, top up the screen my side. Don't know where you going now.
Wagwan gang them. We're up on live.
Yeah man, dip on that.
Wagwan people. But pause the live so we know. I want to talk to you.
What go on?
Brother, can you hear Wagwan in the streets?
What go on in the street? Tell me now.
Brother, right now they take out two people on social media. You know. They say they slap way. When I twin them from around this
Oh, the boomy boy from so.
yes, Scully. Then then dash right to them.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, them man they move too loose. Them man they love go pan corner and not go live, brother. You notice how me stay
But
in a me yard.
here's the thing, you know, brother. Remember saying it two of them did it for social media just like we, you know. I do the live thing, you know. And then slap way two of them.
Brother, them man the world too loose, brother. They can't reach me.
And here's the thing too, you know. Then kill Scully upon live, you know. Upon live, the man dead, you know.
Me get it on my WhatsApp, you know. Me get it on my WhatsApp this morning, but
Brother,
I don't know things.
right now, you know, I can hold my corner, you know, take a break off of social media. Although me almost reached 20,000, you know, but can't deal with this right now.
Just go and do that, man. Hey, you know what I think too, you know, say Friday day me notice me go up on the live, you know.
Mm.
And the girl Shaka Berry, brother.
Who Shakaberry Madness?
Yeah, man, the girl they are going to be things, brother. That's why I did them, man. Kicking in teeth.
No man, you can't do this. No man, you can't make girl a dry out. We
Brother,
know say the girl a move mad more while, you know, but and she love to cuss up herself, you know. But you have to ease yourself, man.
brother, I should even know, dog. I should even know.
Here's my advice, you know. Take a break off of social media. Better if you do that.
I mean, take a break. So if me take a break, then, brother, you know how TikTok, you can't take a break off of this. And you know, say, me want a jail. So you know what things, say.
Brother,
We have to dip on it, right through.
brother, you better if you leap, you hype life alone, you know. Me know say it's nice to drive a Benz or a JL, you know, but take a
Brother, me
break,
nah
man.
come fire every day and get taps and rolls for nothing. I fi buy something out of this. You see me? And
Brother,
me I tell you say, if me free wall of Shakaberry in front of me right now, me shut her two backs. Yeah.
wait. Me need think you pause the live, brother. You realize say you're still up on live and I saying things.
Hold on, let me. And hope nobody no screen record me, you know.
Brother, just listen to me, I said. Take a break off of social media. Because right now, you look like I want a serial killer go on around the place. So if anything, look more now.
You just do it, man. You're too coward, man. You don't have too much breadfruit, man.
Brother,
Can't you?
so
You
you
know
look,
the people, nothing. Eh?
you know, matter if me I do people know, brother. Remember say Scully our person who love to chat up him out, you know, but he never hurt nobody. All the man did that do I just go in a KFC and Burger King and cuss up the people them.
Brother, when the night time come, you don't know what Scully I do. And you don't know what. Some people are this people.
So,
Brother, let me tell you this.
wait, no,
Some
man.
people are take this thing too far, like and disrespect people. So you feel like say you can't disrespect people
You
and get like this.
look on this way, you know. Look on the twin from around this. So the twin never do nothing.
You don't know. You
She
don't know
just did a do a little dancing and thing. And see them kill her. Me nah dead, you know. Oh, you know so how me do. I just drive my car and go and do pan like. But if anything look more, you know.
Yeah, man, do that, man. You know, so that girl I did one of my best string, brother. You never know, some man him do so deal, don't it?
And you know go to her funeral.
I couldn't go, brother. It pain me heart, brother. I couldn't go, dog.
I true because you know so be a man go there and go there with her.
Yeah, man, I couldn't go embarrass myself there, really.
If anything look more, you know. Go and hold them.
Yeah, man, big up. Yes, my sir. As me I say, tap up the screen, share the live.
Alright guys, our time I know. To 10. Top of the screen guys. Come guys, come on man.
So, good day, Miss Candy.
Good day.
I just want to put forward my condolence to your daughter. I am very sorry. I know how this feel, right? I don't want something for you laugh about, but I just want you to know, say, my condolence. But what I really want to say to you is, do you know of anybody who really would harm your daughter? Like, your daughter have any enemies that you know of?
No, miss.
Tell me something, man. You have to know something.
The only person I know say she and him always in some argument on some social media live thing with them, something like that. I don't know what, but then they find something with them called live. Me always hear she and somebody, something like gang them, something like so. Somebody name, I don't know if I say it right, I must say gang them. The name that me hear, they tell some word one day and the person tell her back some word and him, to me, I threaten the man when they threaten my daughter, but me never take it for nothing. But me hear she repeat back and say, dirty gang them, you can't do me nothing, you know me there. Find me if you're up for it, something like that.
So
but
can
me
you
did
describe this
talk
person to us?
Me have him on the phone, you know.
Show us.
See them here. My daughter, that and the man that, me don't know him.
So you know where we can locate him?
No.
You know him right name?
You know, so I first see him on the live the day and then from the live, I saw them must screenshot it on their phone. I don't know him, I never seen him before.
We're going to have you send that video to us. You're going to leave your number by the front desk so we can get you if anything. But we're going to look into this case. So I don't want you to worry.
Miss, no, sorry, officer. You can tell me what she mean when she said me not to worry about my daughter we analyze. Me not understand because stress me out. Me can't sleep at night time.
Miss Kendi, we can't tell her no worry. You understand as it relates to you morning. But she basically said don't worry about the case because we are currently running an investigation and we will find this gang them personnel. So that is what you should not worry about. It is in best hands and we are doing our best.
Just big up yourself on top of the screen. Maya tickers, come down.
Gang them,
What is this?
you are under arrest for the murder of
Hold
a
on,
TikToker,
what?
Tiana Williams. Can you end the live, sir?
Oh, me don't know that, but
Stand up, man. Stand up.
about that.
Stand up and no play with the officer. I am going to read you your right. Now listen. Whatever you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You don't have an attorney, one will be appointed to you. You understand?
resist.
And you will also be charged with resisting arrest. Now move.
Yeah,
Walk up.
yeah, and the brutality this one,
We
man.
no matter call it where you want to call it.
No, me don't know nothing about this. Why y'all lock me up for? Why y'all lock me up for?
Please yourself,
I say if you never want woman, me kick her down, you know. I choose a woman, I'm telling you that, you hear?
I will be adding to your
You see
charges, sir. Shut up.
You see how you...
So gang them, me a bad man.
Look, me don't know nothing about what the man said me do. Me don't know nothing about it.
Stop the cowballing. You think that can help you?
You know, the first thing a guilty man do?
Bah.
Saying innocent. So now me need you to relax and answer the question then. You understand what I say?
Me don't know nothing about it.
You don't know nothing about what?
Me don't know what me don't know what the camera down here for.
So you deny everything already, you don't know what took place. Yeah man, you're guilty man.
Me don't know, look, me just don't like jail up. Me always tell myself, me don't want to go to jail.
Don't answer questions you never ask. You understand what I say? No, what happened with you and Tiana?
Tiana?
Yes, Shakaberry. Are you familiar with that name?
Shakaberry is somebody when we play a match together on TikTok, social media. Me not even know Shakaberry, me not even know where she come from. Me don't
Tell
know
me
nothing
more,
about
man.
her.
Tell me more.
Tell her more, me don't know nothing about her. A girl when we come on we live and she come play a match and she mock me and me mock her.
So did you guys have an argument?
We don't have no argument more than she come on the live one day and we just did a throw 2 words. That's something we do all the time.
Sure words. So you never check now.
No.
Are you aware of this live?
Me aware, but as she a tell me word and me a tell her say Shakaberry, she take it too far.
No, Mr. Gang them, you are lying and you are denying. You understand?
Me just say I tell her say she a take it too far. She a tell me something me never
Yeah,
like.
but we asked you if you're chatting the young lady, you said no. But we have video with you, I say, I tell her what you're going to do to her. Right after that, she died. So more you explain to me what take place.
Look, miss, me I tell you the truth.
Me say stop the balling.
Me don't, what you want me to do? Me I tell you say me don't know nothing about it. What you want me to do?
I think you're somebody to play with. You never hear about Francis and Wallace. You never hear about them. Don't play with me. Now, we have one body power and we need to find out how the body reach ya. So me want to know what you do.
What? Me not even know.
Make him know it's not the first.
Another the first one.
Another the first one, social media influencer drop out.
What is that me? Me don't know nothing about it.
Did we say it was you? We say we have the proof we're up on live a check now. I want to know how that go. Defend yourself.
Miss, a social media that they are just something where we cuss all the time. Me don't know nothing about her personally. Me don't know what kind of life she a live behind it.
So
Me
why
don't
you tell her say you know she partially live and she soon get what she look for?
Look, miss, me I tell you no the truth, miss. Me understand say you see that, but me I tell you me don't know nothing about nothing that.
I want you to understand this, right? What's your name? What's your government name?
Robert.
Robert, these are some serious accusations. You understand what I say? You are being charged for murder.
But me no know, me no murder nobody. Me and somebody we kill. Me never.
Sorry, since I say can't talk, you'll go behind bars. You understand me?
Easy, Wallace.
Alright.
Listen to me, Robert. You have to help we help you, you know. If you're innocent, you're innocent. But if you're guilty, you got to sell black. You understand what I say?
Miss, me I tell you the truth, miss. All we do, we just cuss on social media. Me don't know nothing about it.
Yeah, but why you keep on saying you don't know nothing about it? Me feel like you know something. I don't want you to play with me. Don't play in my face. Because now we have a grieving man to explain to you. You understand what I say? Listen, the judge will figure this out. Me gonna run my investigation, you will hear what happened. You gotta sell black either way. You sleep down here tonight. You understand? Because you should have never check any people in Pitney. And you are being arrested. You are being charged also for resisting arrest. More people understand that. Call sell black.
Yo, yes.
We begin this evening with news from St. James, where security forces in Montego Bay are on high alert following the murder of a popular TikTok content creator. He was killed while live streaming content.
Next patient, same treatment. Oh, she ain't send one lion, no send something, no? Gosh, so you going to G. A long time you know me and a long time I know you. Send some roses, man. 2 more money gone, 2 more money gone. Sandra, send 5 roses, 5 roses. Oh, she ain't send 2 more money gone, 2 more money gone. Sandra sent 5 roses, 5 roses. Come on, man. 5 more. Get alive, no.
What me do?
End the live.
What me do? You?
You know me.
What me do now? What me do? What me do?
Make this for the last time.
Please, please, please.
Yeah, but serious. You hear that? Wallace, I am wondering if you have the right person in custody. You know? Because based on the information that we got, this man and the other influencer that died.
You think him in a gang? You think?
Well, that would make sense.
Because if him there behind bars and person we still get caught saying personally.
It could be various of things, you know, Wallace. It could be a case where he's in a gang or we just have the wrong person. Remember, we are only working off the video where he threatened the young lady. So I think we should I think I should check on the victim's mom, and you could go on cell block and, you know, question him some more so we can get out of him.
That not sound bad. Because we can't just have him so and we don't really know what happened.
Well, we do have right to hold him as long as possible because he was resisting arrest and he's also still a suspect. So we just have to hurry up with the investigation and see which part it take away. Hopefully we have the right person because she needs justice.
Yeah, for sure. I'm going to question him and ask him if he not gonna tell me say I'm a part of one gang, but I'm going to see how much I can get out of him.
I'll meet you back at the station.
Alright.
Them feel like them gonna get me down.
Sir Marley, aka Gang them.
You don't find a perpetrator yet. You come in as a sit-down and look for me.
Sir, watch your tone when you're speaking to me. Are you aware who you're speaking with?
Hey, police girl, I'm not afraid of you, you know. I know, but I feel like I'm afraid of you like a fool.
Lower your tone when you attack him. This is not social media.
What you want to shot me? I shot you one shot.
We know. I am here to talk to you about something. One next social media influencer, they didn't know. So, I wonder if you are one part of one gang.
Me look like somebody in a gang. Eh? Me a regular TikTok, I do not show you see me there on the live. A regular, I just chat me a chat. Me no in a no gang, you know. And me alone par, and me alone do my thing. Me no in a no gang, not because you see me go on social media and you see me press live. I just chat with a chat and I have fun. I wait how for jar the people to the live, for send a gift.
Since you are not part of one gang, maybe there's a copycat. But that's no point. You know what you do for me. We are going to let you go. But you have to go do something for me. First.
What that what?
You are going to help we to help yourself.
What do you mean by that?
Well, we're going to let you on the loose. Make you do your little regular TikTok live and do your thing where you normally do. We are going to see if the person will target you.
So I mean, that not sound like me I go put myself in a risk. And when me put myself in a risk, oh no, I'm gonna do that for
Shut up. Shut up.
Who you tell for shut up? You hear me I say,
when me just come here, me tell you say mine know you talk to me. You forgot who are you talking to, sir?
Miss Wallace, no come back and get me upset, you know, man. Because the first thing you know, man, don't have me there, so I'm innocent, you know, man.
Listen, your voice nothing higher than mine. Alright, listen to me now, and me attack. And me have the angle and you have the blade. Me say we are gonna let you go and you are gonna go out there and in person come target you. We are idiots?
Yo, listen to me, man. Me not no foolishness, you know. And you ever feel like I say you can come set me up. You hear me I tell you? Me, not because my name gang them, me don't know gang. Me don't know nothing about that girl they murder. You hear me I tell you? I'm tell you this. Miss Wallace.
What me say? What me say you are gonna do? Eh?
Alright,
You didn't stop that when me say it?
alright. Well, me work with what you say.
And I ask you.
Me work with what you say. Cause I saw them take on.
Shut up. Shut up. Yo, Gian.
Guys, thank you so much for your support. Me happy and me sad in a one. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you, no. I can't take it no more because every night me dream see her. She in my vision. Me I see her like she's still there here. God knows so me can't take it no more.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I know you're familiar with me. I'm Detective Francis. I'm here to ask you some questions. If you're on a live or on a video call, could you cut the call for me or end the
I'm
live?
on my live. I'm talking to my fans because they're the one who support me and help me to find the person who wanna live my daughter.
I understand, but this is classified information, so could you end the live for me?
Okay, guys, I'm going to have to leave now. I'm going to talk to a detective. Thank you very much for your support.
Okay, so as you may know, we have a suspect in custody. As of right now, we are not sure that the person we have incarcerated is the right person. Understand? So now I'm going to ask you some questions and I want you to be honest with me. If you watch the news or you update yourself on TikTok or any social media platform, you might see that there was another social media influencer that died recently.
Then what that have to do with for me daughter? Only enemy when me believe or think say she would really have. I gang them and no don't lock him up already. We no want to say no. No let him out because somebody else unalive.
Calm down, I understand your frustration. However,
So no care about for me daughter life. You know tell me about somebody else and they say I wrong too much. Me not understand, officer, me not understand. Mine and them a friend, you know. Or maybe them pay you know and fi come tell me one if a different store. Me not understand you.
I do understand your frustration, ma'am, but those are some serious accusations and I will not stand for that. I am the police and I am here to help. I came to ask you some questions. Can you stay on the topic, please?
Hello. Me answer you already. Me go ask you one question now. Officer, right now me sad. Me heart a bleed out for me unalive daughter. And me alone have the stress figure bury her. Me not understand where I going so. So that you no do all the while. You no sure who no they lock up, you no just lock up anybody. So you want to tell me say that them man there gang them are the wrong person? So how you no lock him up and you no sure?
Because
And
you
that's why me no understand this.
Miss Candy, calm down. You were somehow related to the case, but no, we don't have enough evidence to even bring the case to trial.
So I let you know and let him out for go make him take somebody else. Hey.
You have to understand, you know. Candy, you have to help us help you. Like I said, thank you for your cooperation.
I already give enough of me information already. What do you want to do?
Mr. Gang them, your chance is, you know, you better don't blow it. Because after you go up on your live and threaten the people, you have to go do this for we now. So you have to go up on your live, you have to do your regular thing. You hear me, boss?
So, I'm not sure said it's safe.
It's safe. No worry your head board at the party. We are going to depend on the low, so just go and do what you have to do. Go up on your live, cuss your people and draw the culprit near.
But what if a gunny person have enough?
No, watch it. If we say you're good, you're good. We are going to do it in time for now. Do what we say you have to do.
Look, I don't want to get in no trouble, you know. I have my daughter to live fine, you know. And I don't want to do this, and I don't want to seem like me, informer. I don't want to seem like me, punk. So if you know, I'll just...
Listen to me. When you did up your life and checking people, you never knew you have one daughter. We are going to do it in time. We are going to depend the law over your yard and you just go up on your life and do what you have to do, sir. This is not the first we are carrying something like this. We're not new to this. So what we tell us that it's going safe, it's going safe.
Brother, I'm killer say you should have go in a hiding now. And see they lock you up. And look, you think say you come out.
Brother, you know, so as we out, we have to drop back on the live, brother. So never have my phone.
Hey boy, don't move. I don't want to know. Wanna take this thing to a joke thing?
Please, no kill me.
How long now, I tell you, I get what I forget. How long go like when I want to take me for idiot, you know?
You're not that serious, you know?
I never tell you, so I get what I forget.
Look, please, I just little taps and roses.
The whole I have to go down. I alone want to make all of the money. After I make my page get banned, eh? When I feel me have mouth to feed to, eh?
Miss Gaff look and then oh
Yeah, me I
serious.
say no man, the whole of una have to go down. The whole of una have to go down. One by one, me I take una down. You hear me I
Don't
say?
kill me, don't.
Police, don't move. Drop a gun. Step back from it.
Officer, you know me glad to see you. Jesus.
You are under arrest for multiple counts of murder. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Carry away.
All right, people. Good evening. Me not come here today for no argument with nobody or for play no match today. We just come here for make some people know say me dey back a road now. Alright. I never me do the crime, but me got a little bit of the time. And what me come for say is people cut out the foolishness, please. My co-workers them, I lose too much of my co-workers them on the app, and it a get out of hand now. And I don't like how it are going. I don't like how even the country are going. Everybody just toxic right now. It app just me don't like what go on people in a real life, and I just that me come to tell and say yo, cut out the foolishness. Me nah play no match again. Me a build up my team, you know. Me a build up a team of real sensible people. You understand? When time me a do it, I them look out for me, but we not to do no bagger a thing again. What as me I say? Stay out of trouble, be wise, and just no bother with the foolishness, man. Please. If you can't run joke, don't run no joke with nobody. And don't say nothing to nobody where you don't want nobody to say to you. Alright? That's all I come to say, and big up to everybody who been send me gifts random time there, and bigger share up a thing. You understand? Yeah. I jump off of the live you know.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
A lot of the time, persons watch these videos and some of the comments when they left in our comments, we check them with a grain of salt and we use that to improve on what we are doing. And sometimes some of the comments them, they really turn me off because people sometimes forget say it's a movie, you know what I mean? And these are issues that we see happen on a daily basis and we try to tackle them and we try to see if we can advocate for changing these movies. You know what I mean? So it's nothing or no pun attended we want to call it to any specific people. Because sometimes I see some people make some comment and it really turned me off because I say, yo, it's a movie. But apart from that, because we don't love to talk too much about negativity. What we want to say if there are persons out there that, especially females, and you want to act, link with up, man, and we see how we can get you involved in the whole acting process. Also, if there are persons out there who want to invest, you have a script, you want to get it out, and you have money if you can finance the script, link us up, and we can work on an epic project. Because the thing is, one of the things we realize over the period of time doing this is it takes money to really make certain quality movies, and that's why you see we now and then we might just put in a little money in our project and the movie look a bit different from what we normally do on a daily basis. So it really takes money. Also, we always try to buy more equipment because this thing, the fact that we shoot every single day, there are wear and tear upon these equipment. So we always love to try to get an extra mic, 2 extra camera, 2 extra tripod, things that we know once one mash up we can buy back and next. Yeah, man, a while ago we have to break because we see a fan and we have to highlight her. But anyway, so as I was saying, if there are persons who have script and you want to get your movie out there, link us up. As I said, once you have the money to back it, then you can link with and we can make it work because it takes a lot, you know what I mean? And persons who watch it sometimes, them just probably feel like an easy thing. We just take up one camera and we just go film and it done. No. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of effort we put into this, a lot of sacrifice, you know what I mean? A lot of days I'm tired because I get up all day, I film, I edit. And it's just a lot of work overall, so we continue to do it. So if you're interested in that aspect there, or you're interested in not just want to support us, link us up, man, and send a thing come. We can put on a project or we can just use it for just do a daily work what we are do. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much for supporting. And you don't know it go already. Yeah, man. I have to blaze my fire, brother. Too much, too much shit in a plate. Too much spit in a plate, I go on. Spit in a plate. Spit in a plate. Please, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Dead,
I did warn you.
Well listen. That was good. That was good. You sure said it's safe?
It's safe. We are going to depend on the law. Just go do your live. What kind of weed you are coming out with? Hey, boy.
Yeah, that's because Kafka, oh, in my prison, and he have weed. I come out and jail like
We
this.
let him go, man.
Oh, let him out. I'm friend. We just a praise and alter the movie. As we see him, we just grab it.
I can't in a character, man.
Stop it. Just the face like. I never me do the crime, but we got to look a bit at the time. Yeah. I want to thank them 2 female officers there. Right. Ready? Ready. I never me do the crime, but me do look. I never me do the time. All right. Yeah, people, as me I say, I never me do the crime, but I do the little bit of the crime.
Never me do the crime, but me do a little bit at the time.
Yeah, change the shot, Jamie. No, I put one of them on different places. All right.
I go on as well. We can't manage out there.
Fuck you and hey.
I manage you below.
Sure.
Alright.
Yo, girl, come to the boy. I cannot confrontate, you know.
Fool, him I try to use the system to get me down.
Ready?
Fool, him I try to use the system to get me down.
Hello?
Yeah, tell him, let me take a break. I didn't want me to be hungry. Mad man.
Ready? Here's my advice. Take a break off of social media.
Wait till you're mad, take a break.
I am going to read you your rights. The murder of a TikToker. Why when me get serious? No. We can't have that. We can't have that.
Yo, that wasn't the real, man. That wasn't the real. So what is for? What is for? What is for?
Yeah, yeah, me say you're under arrest.
Me don't know nothing about that.
Stand up, man.
Me don't
Stand
know
up.
nothing about that.
Stand up and don't play with the officer. I am going to read you your rights.
Pronounce your words there for me now.
Alright.
Boy, girl, you're shit in a plate. You have to come down now.
We no must have to go there one time. We'll let you out.
Come on, cut.
Make all time someone my friend. Are you pick up?
Yeah, me go give her hand so.
Take your time. Pronounce your words.
Ready?
You're sure you're alright? You're alright in your head space? Eh?
You're sure you're alright? You have to take your meds?
Yeah.
Lisa, hype. You take your meds? Lisa.
Listen, man, we're tired if you do live now. We're not getting no money per live, you know. We're not foolishness, you know. Come off one tap doing something, you know. That's why we do YouTube, we don't do TikTok, you know. Because we left TikTok to who can manage TikTok. You understand? We left TikTok to who can manage it. Because we want to start make some money and drive jelly and them something there for TikTok, you know what I mean? You know all that?
No.
Oh, yeah, for your feet, yeah.
Yeah, we're not buying a jelly, we are buying some truck and some tractor and them something. And them is something we want to buy for TikTok. You know what I say?
That's it up to a 14 years.
I mean, that's foolishness. You know, so I start the TikTok look more after the show and them thing there. And tell the people, I'm saying, you know, so one buy two tipper body truck, two little flatbed truck, them there, little, not a big flatbed, they have some little one. Okay, what they say? Yeah, man, that would depend on us. So, me I start go live, look more make people know what me about. Yeah, man, we want to start making people know we about. We want to buy some biggest goat them too. You know, for 200,000 a one. We want to go in a farming thing. So we want people send with some money where we can invest in them thing. You see me? We have the movie, which is one thing. Yeah, man, some big back cow. Them thing they want to start though. You know, because we have a whole lot of them small and we can Lego cow and goat, you know. You understand?
Daddy, come in.
Tired of sufferation life. And we not going to take your money and buy a gun. Because we know so that's a problem. And we not going to take your money and spend for a woman because we know so that's a drugs.
Come in.
Eh?
Where you tell the people them, sir?
So we want some money to buy some cow and goat. Yeah, because when we collect TikTok money, we not going to buy a gun. And we not going to spend it for a woman because girls are drugs.
Yo, ambition I key, you know. Girls are drugs.
Yeah, but I want to look little though.